This Infiniti EX35 is a great looking car. The key on the other hand looks terrible. Let's fix that. Hello and welcome to How to Helen. In this episode, we will be replacing the key fob shell for this 2011 Infiniti EX35. Now, this application applies to all other Infinitis or Nissan vehicles with the same key fob shell. Now, I was able to purchase my replacement key fob shell from AliExpress. You can also purchase it from eBay or Amazon because it is easier to get a refund just in case you get the wrong key fob shell or if it's not working correctly. Now, first thing you have to do to make sure that you buy the correct one is open your key fob shell, because some key fob shells have different internals and configurations. So that's what we're going to do first. Now, make sure you have a set of precision tools to use to open your key fob shell. First step is take out your external key or regular key from the shell. Now, with your precision tools, find a gap on your key fob shell and separate it from there. Just slide in your precision tool to try to separate it. There you go. Now do the same thing with your replacement key fob shell. Now, as mentioned, make sure that the battery is on the right location, on the right side of the shell, because some of the other shells have it on the left side. So that is why I said open it first before ordering it. Next, let's get the internal circuitry on your OEM remote. So you can find a place to pull it from, which what I'm going to do is pull it from the battery terminals, and there is your PCB board or circuit board for your remote. Now simply move it from your old shell to your new shell. Then you can actually use your old bottom if you don't want to move your battery, or you can use the new bottom if you want to move your battery. But for this demonstration, I will be moving the battery so we can use the new shell. So with your tools again, just pop off the battery from its base. Now make sure you match the orientation when you remove the battery when you put it on the new shell. Now let's close the new shell, battery and all. And you can slide in the key. And now you have transferred your remote circuit board and key on your new shell. But wait, there's more. I bought this key fob protector from AliExpress as well to protect our new key fob. So this is a silicone protector that goes over your key fob. So all you have to do is slide it from the top, wiggle it a little bit, and ta-da! Looks fancier now. Although the new key fob doesn't have the Infiniti logo on top, it's still cheaper than buying it from the dealer. Okay, so we went outside to test our new key just to make sure that the functionality still works. So we're gonna press lock, unlock, watch the blinker, blink. Now we're gonna press the panic button, then unlock immediately so we don't cause any distraction. All right. Alright, stop, lock again, and unlock. So it works. And that is how to replace a remote key fob shell and install a silicone key fob protector on a 2011 Infiniti EX35. This has been another episode of How to Helen. Thank you for watching. Hello and welcome to How to Helen. In this episode, we are replacing the shell on this key fob shell for this. Hello and welcome to How to Helen. In this episode, we are replacing the key fob shell. Hello and welcome to How to Helen. In this episode, we will be replacing the key. But before ordering your key fob shell, make sure that you have the same key fob shell that you're Now this application or replacement apply. Hello and welcome to How to Helen. In this episode, we will be replacing the key fob shell for this 2011 Infiniti Hello and welcome to How to Helen. In this episode, we will be replacing the key fob shell for this. This replacement applies to all other Infinitis and Nissan models with the same Infiniti key fob shell, even if it's a 3 or 4 buttons. In this episode, we will be replacing the key fob shell for the key fob shell. Hello and welcome to How to Helen. In this episode, we will be replacing the key fob. Now this application applies to all other Infiniti or Nissan models with the same key fob shell. Now you can buy. I bought this. Now this application applies to all other. In this episode, we will be replacing the key fob. But wait, there's. But wait, there's more. I bought this protector. Okay, I'm here with a. Alright, so I'm here with a vehicle right now to test our key, just to make sure it works. There, it blinked. Now we're gonna press the panic. Okay, I'm here. Now we're gonna press the panic button and unlock it immediately because we don't want to